태양이가 좋아하는 랜덤 게임 게임 스타일.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. For today's video ay mapunta tayo sa Severa kasi may practice tayo ng dance sport doon. But before that, punta muna tayong Robinson kasi nagpasama ang ating kaibigan na si Belena magpa-bench kasi mabili daw siya ng pabango. Pero guys, ang tagal namin sa bench. Mga 1 oras kami doon. Diyan, wala naman siyang nabili. At yan, nanggigigil na ako sa kanya. Oo nga pala guys, dumating yung iba kong kaibigan pa para samahan ako mag-practice. Andyan si Joshua, si Simon, si Howard, and ayan, si Belena ngiti-ngiti, akala'y bati kami. So ayan guys, pagkalabas namin sa bench, napag-desisyon na namin na mag-arcade na lang kasi wala kaming nabiling pabango. Fun fact about me guys, alam niyo guys na minsan lang ako makapunta sa ganitong lugar. Since I was a kid, I haven't able to go to place like this. Even now that I'm teenager, I only get to go here occasionally. Actually guys, maniwala man kayo or hindi, my first time here at Robinson when I was in grade 6. Then my second time when I was in grade 10. Now that I'm in grade 11, I'm getting a little used to it because I'm studying in the town now at SCMBT. But sometimes I still get culture shock. There are still a lot of things I don't know about. Ayan, after playing that basketball game, papunta po kami sa Jollibee now para mag-lunch. So, ayan, naka-order na kami at kakain na kami ng lunch. And yung dalawa nga pala namin kasama ay hindi po nag-order and ayaw po nilang kumain. So, ayan, pinanood lang po nila kaming dalawa habang nakain. Although, inalok naman namin sila. And yan, tapos na kaming kumain. Plus, forward ka na lang para mabilis. After we ate, we immediately walked to Severa because that's where our practice venue is. And guys, the road was super pataas kasi bundok siya guys. And nakakapagod siyang lakarin. And at the same time, ang sakit ng init sa balat. But it's still worth it. Ang paglalakad namin ay worth it. Kasi look at that view it's giving. It's so beautiful, especially in personal, kasi sa video nyo lang sila nakikita. So, ayun guys, we arrived at Severa na, but before I start my practice, I want to introduce my trainer, Wislyn Paes and Angela Rubira, my friend, classmate, and also ang aking kalaban sa sayaw na pa-practicein namin ngayon. And there we go, our practice has started. I'm practicing first because my partner isn't here yet. They are still on the way. And alam niyo ba guys na kung ano pa yung madaling step, yun pa yung hirap akong matutunan. Tignan niyo. Anyway, ayan, after an hour practicing kasi tas wala pa din naman yung kapartner ko, naabutan na ako ng uhaw and we decided to go to convenience store. Ayan, at pipili na ako na bibilhin ko kasi wala lang, trip ko lang. At napili ko na nga ang Pepsi, Pepsi baka naman. After namin bumili at mag-rest, ayan, we immediately went back to the court kasi nandun na daw yung aking kapartner. And they were right, my partner is here. Meet Jamela Mendoza, my beautiful partner. So guys, ayan, we started practicing because my partner said she had to go to somewhere else, so they were only here for a short time. As you can see guys in the video, we have a lot of step pa na mali, kaya need pa namin ng madaming practice for entrance. Oh, by the way guys, this practice is for entrance kasi malapit na yung entrance namin at kami ang representative ng family namin. So, we're tired na guys and ayaw na namin, and also she needs to go na kasi minatawag na sa kanya kasi nga may pupuntahan pa siya. And we practice a few times guys, I just forgot to record it. Ginabi na nga pala ako ng pag-uwin guys kasi inintay ko pa yung dalawa, ayan, kasi nag-practice din sila. Yun lang, thank you, bye bye.